Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Iza Waital Kindi. I'm from E-Class. Uh, so now we are talking about the sociolinguistic. In the materials is language and culture. So the culture is you can find it. The culture is in your home, not in your not in your not in you can find it to traditional village or another place, but culture you can find it in your home, like to respect to each other, respect to older people than you. So let's begin there at our materials. So, the first materials is language and culture across disciplines. As we will discuss in these captures, each of this approach conceptualizes intercultural communication from its own discipline, specific and meta-theoretical perspective, with theories and research strategies ranging from convergent and complementary to incompatible. In the social science literature and interculture discourse furnishes and indispensable research for pedagogical proposals on how to address culture in diverse educational settings and in second and foreign language education. We are going to second materials is the culture in linguistic anthropology. In this overview of there are six perspectives on culture in linguistic anthropology. So the first one is culture as distinct from nature. Central to this perspective is the nature to nurture debate, in particular the integrity and interrelation of acquisition and socialization of language as competence and as social practice. And the next is culture as knowledge. Cognitive theories of culture in the Cognaut in 1964. Range of earlier proposal of category acquisition modeled on grammar to culture as socially distributed knowledge. Hester and Edgelin in 1997. Hutchin in 1995. The next is culture as communication. Approach includes structuralist and interpretive semiotics, indexicality and metapragmatics, and metaphors as folk theories. And next is culture as a system of mediation. Culture comprises a set of psychical and symbolic objects mediated between people and their environment. Language is a critical tool of symbolic mediation in Vygotsky 97H. And language practice are understood as mediating activity. And the next is culture as a system of practice. Replacing generalizing an abstracted concept of culture as unitary, stable, and a historical structure of meaning and behavior post-structuralist practice theorist emphasis and the constructive role of language and action in considerate social circumstance. Central to both this the theory of practice in 1977 is the notion of habitus, bundle of sentient history developed international division for institutionalized returns socio-discursive practice. And the last one is culture as a system of participation. Participation centered on the connectivity of language mediated by action to the local and global world, based on shared cognitive, symbolic, and material research, including inequitable access and obstacle to participant, influential analytical concept of participation in government 1981. H.M. Godwin in 1990, Phillips in 1972. In situated activities like on the local contraction of engagement in this discursive practice. So the scope, unity and diversity of the culture. So the culture is not only tied to the local and unique. It's also a property of humanity, as such expected to assume some culturally universal characteristic across communities, codes, and user. There are certain commonalities across the world language communities and communities of practice in linguistic means to constitute certain situational meanings. So this is the contrasting perspective on intercultural discourse. According to sociostructure theories, social action and language use are determined by macro-structural process and internalized social norms that powerfully certains the agency of individuals and social group. So this is the differentiation about the perspective on intercultural interaction. So you can pause in this stage because you can screenshot about this. This is differentiation about the intercultural interaction. Okay, next to the communication accommodation theory, or CAT. CAT was designed as a motivational account for variation in linguistic and temporal feature in speech form, styles, and choice of language and language varieties in group communication. Accommodation is to be seen as a multiply organized and contextually complex set of alternatives regularly available to communicators in face-to-face talk. It can function to index and achieve solidarity with dissociation from a conversational partner reciprocally and dynamically. So the next one is cross-cultural speech pragmatics. Building on Grace in 1957, theory of meaning, Shirley in 1969 defined illusionary acts. The core object of his theory has categories of speaker intention expressed by means of conventionalist language form. So the next The next material is interactional sociolinguistic. We note that in standard speech experiment, this context is treated as configuration of static discourse external social variables. The rationale of discourse and external context to discourse internal choice of pragmatic strategies in based on causal or correlation model, where context figures as the independent variables and language use independent variable. On this view, cross-cultural difference can be explained in terms of diverging values of context variable and their impact on the selection of speech strategies and form. In interactional sociolinguistic, context is conceptualized in a radically different way. So the last one is culture in the classroom. So the culture in the classroom, culturally responsive pedagogies include practice intended to validate student cultural identity, encourage active participation, and ultimately enhance academic achievement. However, ethnographic and discourse analytical studies conducted in different North American school settings indicate the teaching to students assume cultural identities is a risk undertaking. Pedagogical effort to foster student appreciation of cultural diversity are often limited to a superficial focus and heroes, holidays, custom and food, concept of culture as a static corpus of values and beliefs and confirmation of country culture, language, nationality, and identity. So the culture come to classroom because some of you from the different place, from different village, come to our class and have a different culture, like from Lombok, Sumbawa, Bima, Dompu, and etc. So the culture come from anything. Okay, thank you very much for this explanation. I will say thank you and stay at home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.